Good afternoon. Tudor, the you know tal chatball on the vast beaches in Colombia are on the island of Providencia? Bay de los filmes C7 core of the architecture of San Andres, Providencia and Santa Catalina have united identity the remain practitioner alone. Its destination is one of Colombia's best kept secrets, so you never find lot of tourists dedicating you the quality life of the typical Caribbean island, hand in hand with the nearest. I went completed the work of large brilliant Donis Beaches interest Western Palm Tours. Restaurant of slow architecture where in King George a tropical drink of the most escased C4. There is a wide variety beaches that you can visit, such as Playa Manzanillo, Bahía Sur Oeste, Bahía Agua Dulce, one of the main attraction is que you can grow a green monument in the middle of the sea. It looks like a Hollywood challenge. I considered Iraq very interesting planet. It showed taking banners as donor hundreds should I include your family in a your this wonder. Bye.